Yes. Look. What is the planning today?
The plan is to explore the mine further, so we are both gonna get ready, take a shower, freshen ourselves up, and then we're gonna go to a store for rain boots, and then we're gonna get rain boots so we can go into the mine, so because there's a lot of water, and now we can walk with the boots and explore the whole mine today.
Packed everything so far. Power bank, extra batteries for the camera, extra battery for the headlights, 2 headlights, protein bars, flashlight. This is the flash for the camera. We still need to get batteries for that, and I'll probably stuff some more food and drinks in here, and then we are good to go. All right, we are at Chinatown. All right, we are pretty sure we're gonna find it. This is huge. They literally got everything, so we now need to find the botas de iluvia.
Yeah.
That's that's the Spanish word for rain boots. See, this store keeps amazing me. It doesn't stop. I think we can be here all day. We just went upstairs. Whoa, we got the boots. All right, we just went upstairs, and I can see boots. These are nice.
But I see more here.
Maybe those are even less. I don't know. These look pretty good to me. Jesus. Perfect. Pretty fashionable. Got all the plastic out of the boots. I'm gonna throw it away there, but just like a big lid. How is Stijn taking so long for just one simple knife? I don't understand. I was just explaining to everyone why it took so long, man.
Long lines, but look what I also got.
Hey, that's really good for you.
I know.
Alright, I take back what I said.
Yeah.
It's like he's a new man.
Mm-hmm.
Are you from Paris?
Je habite au Den Helder. Je peux aller aux toilettes s'il vous plaît. Je parle français un petit peu. Je non Paris.
Put everything in the car, head out, and then probably visit a nice mini market along somewhere in the mountains where we can get a bottle of water. And then, a bottle of water. A bottle of water. You know what I want? I want an ice cold bottle of water. 31 minutes to the Mineshaft. We stopped at the local mini market, and we're just gonna pick up some water. And after that, we are done. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I'll see. So this was like the tiniest local mini market I've ever went into. There was just one counter, and in that counter was just a few products, some water. They didn't not even accept card, so we had to find the few loose euros we had. But we made it, and now we have some water. Now walking down towards the mine. This is the better part because we can go down.
Yeah, that's way better than uphill.
Yep.
So there's my shoe.
And the view here is beautiful. Let's see if there is somebody block the entrance again, but for what I see it's the same as we left it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Look at it. Oh, it's really nice in the shade.
As you can see, it is really tight. Yes! I made it!
I made it!
First pair of boots.
First pair.
Second pair of boots.
Second pair. And bag. And book.
That's so much easier than last night.
Yeah.
Alright. We bought this at a local store. I'm really curious if this is nice or not.
Me too.
Alright, I'm gonna taste test it.
Alright. Good?
No, it's actually nice. It's like a mix between a cookie and a bread.
Hmm.
It's really nice. You should try it. Right, it's really nice.
Oh.
I'm glad we bought this.
Cool.
Alright. We are going into the mine. This is the last time we're gonna see some outside light for a while. So let's go get in.
It's so cold right now.
Well, you wish you're gonna say that in a few hours. Yeah. Because it ain't gonna be cold no more. Collapsed parts. As you can see, there is all rumble tracks and big rocks hanging here, and lots of stuff collapsed here, so we have to be careful. It's gonna walk across this concrete slab or whatever it is. It's alright, this is the time. We're probably in here for like 5 minutes now. So let's keep track of time, because that's the most important thing when you go down into a cave or in the earth. Because the experience of time is like none. You could be down here for 4 hours and it feels like 40 minutes, or vice versa. So that's why it's really important to keep track of the time. This is the first bag, and they put them in the mine. Sometimes it could be a piece of cloth or anything. It needs to check the airflow. You can see the bag is still moving, so we are good to go.
We're good.
Very good. Alright, let's keep on going. Alright, I think we're about 600 to 700 meters inside of the mine now. Still have a lot to go, because according to the sign it's 3.2 kilometers. And it's starting to get warm and humid already. So I'm gonna take my shirt off too, because otherwise I'm just wearing a wet piece of cloth. Could you hold this for a second? We should head further into the mine. Alright. Wait, should we show them? If we turn off the lights completely, how dark it is here. Wait, one more. And that's it. There is literally not a singular point of light at this. Imagine if you get stuck here without a light. It's gonna be really bad. Alright, let's keep on going. We are at the next bag. And there's still a tiny bit of airflow. The time is 16 minutes of bag. Alright, let's keep on moving. Further into the mountain. It's getting cramped in here, and we have to go lower ourselves lower and lower. But we're still going strong, and we're not at the first water crossing spot yet, because last time we could make this one or that one without boots, but further up there we couldn't anymore. So we know when we find the first water spot, we are near the last spot. Another bag. One of the few parts where the train track is like in the best shape, but further down the line it gets so bad because of the salt. There is no train track or real minecart that can run over these rails anymore. But we are getting in the lower parts of the mine. Standing up straight is almost not possible anymore. So just keep on moving before your back is going to hurt too much. Look, this is another piece of tracks. Probably got switched out. Well, they have to do a lot of switching out if they want to make this operational again. And another one. If you need a ladder, you can pick one up here for free. It's gonna take a while before you get it out, but at least it's a free ladder. And I can already spot the next bag for the airflow.
Next airbag.
Tiny airflow. We're good.
I'm already so sweaty.
Yeah, you were really sweaty, my friend. How am I? 'Cause I feel sweaty, but I don't know how sweaty I am.
Do your hand on your lamp. Oh yeah, I see it in real life, but on camera not really.
Nah.
I think I'm more sweaty.
No, you're more sweaty as well. But hey, I think we're
Almost halfway, I guess.
yeah, I think
Because
so
we've
too.
been walking for 20 minutes, and you averagely walk 5 kilometers an hour, but not really in this circumstance. So let's
No.
say 4, almost there.
All right, we're at the first water crossing spot. So I think we should test our boots here, if they're working. Or we're doing it like the same way, like we did before. What are you thinking?
I say let's just test the boots.
Hopefully the Chinese boots are really
waterproof.
good. Yeah, otherwise we bought boots for nothing.
I can promise you one thing, if they're not waterproof, I won't tell you until after you are in there.
Alright, tie your shoes together, then I can clip them to your bag.
Oh, just
Nice.
hold them.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, because I'm gonna switch when I'm out there.
Well, maybe not, because about 500 meters further we have to do the big cross.
That's way further.
Maybe it is. Alright,
Yeah.
let's go. Here, you take the GoPro. Yeah, you're now in the deepest part.
Yeah. I have about a good 10 centimeters before it goes into the hole we made.
Yeah, but I didn't want to make the hole too close to the top, otherwise it might rip off.
I know, but we really have to pay attention, because one wrong move and a wave goes in through the crack, and I still have wet socks. But it feels really cool to walk here with the boots. Alright, I made it.
Let's hope it doesn't reach the hole. You don't want to get wet. I told you it was deeper than we thought.
Yeah, it really is.
You were talking about 20 centimeters. But I can confirm I still have dry feet.
Me too.
So the boots are going good. We are in the wetter part of the mine. Here the water is really flowing and it's getting really low. So we're now making our way to the last spot.
You maybe clip these.
Yes.
Nice job, Doug.
If it works, it works.
Alright. Walking. Alright, we just made a few pictures in the mine with the real camera instead of with our phone.
Yeah.
Because you might not know it,
Bone.
but Puk is also a professional photographer.
We are sweating loads.
So we have to rehydrate.
A little bit, yes. How does that feel?
It feels amazing. Right? That's what I thought.
Fortunately, we brought enough water this time. 3 liters. Alright, let's head further into the mine. We are at the spot where we could not go further anymore. There's the minecart, and this is gonna be new for us. It is a minecart. Look, they're tinier than I thought. They are tinier than I thought. We found a minecart. I say we keep on going and take some pictures when we come back.
Yeah, me too.
Because I want to keep on going now.
Ah, but we made it.
As you can see, there's a lot of salt crystallizing and floating in the water. And this part for us is also new. We have to be
walking through this. Tonight, I've been able to do it without tools.
Well, I had some parts where I was falling through a bit.
Stand up.
This is so nice. We can stand up for a bit more. Look at this, man. It's crazy. If you ever want to start a salt company, there's enough salt here. Alright, this is really getting miney from here. We should try to not break the dams.
What? Did you break the dam?
No, we should try not to break the dams.
It would be really funny.
Alright, we are further in the mine than we ever went before. So hopefully we're gonna find the end. But this is already beautiful. It looks like it's snow already.
Yeah.
Like we're walking through the snow. But it's soft. Did you hit your head?
No, my back got stuck behind.
Oh, I had the same thing as well with this dam. Yeah. Here you can see there's a little part where we can stand up and then goes lower again. And we have to break our backs again. The pipe has disappeared. There is no more pipe to follow. So we are I'm so curious if there is an end point. Nope. We're at the end of the mine. I think we have to dig ourselves away further.
No, really?
We're really at the end of the mine.
Maybe they let it
No, I don't think they let it collapse. I think this is just it. Well,
It's a shame, but now we know.
well, at least we know. And I think they just gave up.
Alright, status update.
But where's the water coming from?
This
then?
is the end of the mine.
It is. No more mine.
I have no idea where the water is coming from.
I was hoping for a waterfall.
But
We made it. I say we just go slowly back out to some cold air again. Unfortunately, guys, I really hoped that we could show you something cool. But at least you... Ow! Oh, of course I hit my head. But at least you guys know now that there is nothing here. Fuck. I was like holding my... of course, my headlight. Everything goes. Here, could you hold this for a second?
recording?
Yeah, it's still recording. You also hit your head.
I also hit my head.
Alright, we need to be careful now because last time also we went really careful on the way in. And then we went out, we were just almost running and every one of us hit the head. I already scratched my hand open and it's stinging a lot because of all the salt there. It's fine, it's fine. Put this on. We're gonna move on to the outside. Yeah. Alright, let's go back. Finally made it, that tiny speck of light.
That's the exit. Yeah, you can't see me, but I'm here.
I've choked up my hands. I've clipped in the first set. Sign is there. Yeah, you have to get yourself to the right side of the...
We are done with the tattoos. It went horribly wrong. I wanted to get a climbing board